All right, welcome back into Good Day DC this morning. Okay, listen, we know spring break is in full swing right now for so many people, and we know in the coming weeks others are going to be taking vacations and doing some travel. So we had to bring in our good friend Christina Daves, a podcaster and lifestyle expert, and she has some spring break must-haves that, Christina, let me tell you, my list is already getting longer as to things that I'm going to need, at least for the summer season. So let's get into what you have this morning.
I got this for Christmas this year. It is one of my favorite things. You just slide this on the suitcase.
Yeah.
And you can put your coffee in. You've got room back here for your phone, because we always want to have our phone close.
Right.
You know, and then you just go.
Look at that, easy peasy. So this is a portable cup holder, essentially.
Portable cup holder.
For your suitcase, and I love how it can just hold all sorts of different
whatever you need,
sizes.
bottle of water,
yeah.
anything you need.
Everything that you need.
Hands-free. Yes.
All
okay.
right.
Do you have the AirTags?
Absolutely. Yeah. Drop them in my suitcase, my wallet.
And this is my husband. That would be Steve 1 and Christina 1, so we don't get them mixed up. This is the guy I'm married to.
Yeah.
But these are great, and I don't know if you know this, but now 18 airlines are using these. So if you're on United or Delta, they lose your luggage, you can bring your phone and say, no, my suitcase is right here.
I know where it is.
Yeah. Yeah, which is great. So definitely the AirTags, connect them to your phone.
Do you have a favorite brand for AirTags that we can use, or just?
I don't know.
Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon.
Okay. Yeah, it's so useful, and I've literally, you can just track it, everything.
Yeah.
Every move. Okay.
Okay, these are fantastic. If you go to Europe, which I went last year, they're having a lot of problems with theft. So these bags, you can't cut them. They have hooks on here, so people can't unzip your bag. They can't take anything out.
Yeah.
And I will tell everyone, because my phone got stolen in Paris.
No.
Oh yeah. Don't have a hot pink phone case on the outside of your purse. You want to blend it in. Yes. You know, I love my pink. But yeah, these are great if you're traveling overseas. You definitely want to have a travel bag
100%.
like this.
Took a trip to Italy, popped into like 7 different cities, and I did the whole reading before about the pickpocketing, especially in Paris.
In Paris.
So this is so useful. I love that.
Okay. Again, my pink, you know I love it, but these are great. Passport holder, you put your credit cards, you can put a little notepad in here. And these have the RDIF protection, so nobody can steal your credit card numbers or your passport information.
Oh, okay.
So these are great. It's $5 on Amazon.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this
Look at
is bargain.
Economical and, like you say, extra layer of security.
And all colors.
There you go.
Okay. We were talking about this before.
Lifesaver.
Yeah. Game changer. Packing cubes. If you're not using them, you've got to get them. So, for example, I put all my bathing suits in one.
Yeah.
Zip them up. I've got all my dresses in here. These are great because they're compression. So you can stack them as full as you want.
Yep.
And zip around, and it flattens it all.
Even more. Yeah, I was telling you, Christina, before I discovered compression packing cubes, terrible packer. I could never consider a carry-on, but truly, compression packing cubes have been a game changer. So this is a really good idea. They also come in a number of colors.
And it keeps you organized when you're unpacking, too.
Yeah.
Just put your undergarments in one. Everything's in its own place.
Yeah, I love those.
Okay.
All right, so what do we have?
This is our game. Okay. What do you think this is, McKay?
Let's see. What do I think it is? Okay, I'm just going to take a guess. Can we clip it? No? Okay.
No, you can.
You can?
Yeah.
Maybe this is, can you put a pillow inside of it and maybe travel?
You got it, but instead of a pillow, you're going to pack clothes in it. So it's going to be useful now. Let's say your carry-on's a little full. You can just pack your stuff in here.
There you go.
How about that?
Oh my gosh! So yeah, you put that suitcase on the scale, and it's
right.
Take over a little bit. You can save some money. Put it right in here. Look at that.
You've got your neck pillow.
I love it.
Isn't that great?
Multi-use.
I said this is game changer. This is the must-have this season.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, do you fly a lot?
Well, yes, I love to travel, but when I get a chance.
Okay. And I don't like, the airlines will always give you the wired earbuds. I love my wireless AirPods. So you can get this. It's called AirFly.
Okay.
And you sync it to your phone and your AirPods. Just plug it in, and you can use your wireless on the plane.
Really? Look at that.
These are great.
And again, something that you don't have to worry about packing too much that's extra or heavy, lightweight, and just easy and convenient. Okay.
Okay, now you are going to have a honeymoon coming up.
Yes.
So if you go somewhere warm, my girlfriend told me about these. You guys, look how easy this is to pack in your suitcase.
Okay.
This is a float.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So my daughter and I just took these to Aruba.
Yeah.
We each had one. It comes with a pump. It's easier just to blow it up yourself.
Okay.
But so you can float. You know, you can't. The hotels don't have this kind of stuff.
Right.
And when you're especially in the Caribbean, you just want to lay in that water.
Yeah. And then you just take your own, and then you can take it back home with you.
Fold
you
it up and take it home. It's just like a T-shirt in your bag.
Look at that.
Look at all the sand coming out. That's Aruba sand right there.
Some really, really great ideas, Christina. Oh my gosh, you always come through with the best products. And now, look, I feel ready for some summer travel myself.
Yes.
And hopefully you do for spring break.
Yeah.
So tell people how they can follow along. You have ideas all the time.
All the time.
You're so creative. So how can people keep up with you?
ChristinaDaves.com.
All right, check her out. Thank you so much. And also, too, let's plug in your podcast because you're doing some awesome things on that. So,
I'm so excited.
Why don't you go ahead and tell us?
Living Ageless and Bold. We have our 100th episode coming up in April, and I am interviewing tomorrow for that episode, friend of the show, Carla Hall, celebrity chef.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
She's awesome, and so are you.
Oh, thank you.
So you got to tune in, guys. You can't miss that. Christina, thank you. As always, you're amazing.